Hi, I hope you're doing well. My name is Katie, and today we're going to go over a request signature task. This can be used as a one time task or as part of your pipeline. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get Free, and then you will go to Templates, Tasks, and you'll go ahead down to the request signature task, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. And here you're going to review everything that is involved in that task. You've got your description, you've got the information where it shows it's assigned to the role of preparer. It starts today, which is 0 days, and is due tomorrow, which is 1 day. You also have all your subtasks that are involved with this task. And go ahead and click Save and Exit, and we're going to go ahead and assign this as a one-time task. The first you're going to do is click New, Task, and you're going to assign it to your client. I'm going to go ahead and assign it to my test account, which is under my name. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the template. And here you can see again everything that's involved in this task. We have our description, our start date and due date. Up here you can see the role is the preparer, which is assigned to. And then here you down at the bottom, you have your subtasks. You want to upload your signature page. You want to make sure that you link the document to the job. You want to lock an invoice to the document if you have an invoice that they have not paid yet. And you want to go ahead and request the client's e-signature. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.